Shortcut keys to delete files permanently. Let's try different methods. Let's start with the most basic method. Simply select the file and press the delete key on your keyboard. But keep in mind, this doesn't actually delete the file permanently. It just moves it to the recycle bin, where anyone can restore it and access the contents. To delete a file permanently, use Shift plus Delete. Select the file, and press Shift plus Delete. This skips the recycle bin and removes the file right away. Now let's try deleting files in bulk. Simply click and hold the left mouse button, then drag to select multiple files. Once selected, right-click on any of them and choose Delete from the menu. There's also a quick trick. Right-click the file and simply press D on your keyboard. That triggers the delete option too. And that's it. Let's try another method to delete a file. Click the small arrow on the top right to expand more options. Now, select the file. On the top, you'll see a cross icon, which represents the standard delete option. This sends the file to the recycle bin. To delete it permanently, scroll down and click on the arrow again. You'll find a second option called Permanent Delete. Select that, and a confirmation window will pop up. Just click Yes, and the file will be deleted for good. Now let's try deleting a file or folder using a batch file. This is the batch file script. You'll find it linked in the description. Now, replace the path in the script with the file or folder you want to delete. Start by copying the full path of the file or folder, and paste it into the script. Next, click on File in the top left corner, then choose Save As. In the file name field, give it a name and add .bat at the end. Then, under Save As type, select all files. Click Save, and your batch file is ready to go. Now, just double-click the batch file. And your selected file or folder will be deleted instantly. Once it's done, press any key to close the window. These methods work but are slow, and the data can still be recovered with recovery software. To ensure complete and secure data erasure, you can use SysTool's Data Wipe software. You can find the download link in the description. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. Click the File and Folder button to permanently delete files. You can also use the pen drive option to erase files from a USB drive, or choose the drives option to wipe data from hard drives or SSDs. For this video, we'll go with the File and Folder option. Now, click on Select Folder option. Choose the folder you want to permanently delete. Once selected, click the Select Folder button. You'll now see the folder name along with its path. Below that, there's an option called Wipe Subfolder. Keep it enabled. Then, click Next to continue. Now, it's time to choose a data wipe method. Methods with fewer passes are faster, but less secure. The ones with more passes offer better security, but take longer. So, choose a method based on how sensitive your files are. For this video, we'll go with the standard method. USDOD 3 pass. You can pick any method that suits your needs. Once selected, click the Wipe button. A message will appear saying the files will be permanently deleted. Click Yes to confirm and continue. And that's it. That's how you can quickly and permanently delete files using simple shortcuts.